Hey there, how have you been? Welcome to Speak Real English, where we dive deep into fluency and real-world communication. Are you excited to improve your English skills and feel confident while speaking? Let's jump right in. Today, we're going to explore a unique and thoughtful approach to language learning. We're calling it your Positive Action English Day. Often, we focus on what English can do for us personally. We think about how it can lead to higher income, a better career, global job opportunities, new friendships, cultural experiences, and access to endless knowledge. There's no doubt that English is a powerful skill for anyone aiming to grow, succeed, and connect with the world. But today, I want us to take a different perspective. Instead of thinking only about how English can benefit you, let's consider how you can use your English skills to make a positive difference in someone else's life. This is your invitation to take part in a Positive Action English Day. Once you finish this video, I'd like you to find a way to use your English to perform a kind and selfless act. What exactly does that mean? A kind act, or good deed, is something thoughtful you do for someone else without expecting anything in return. It could be something small and simple, something that brightens someone's day. A kind act doesn't need to be grand or complex. The beauty lies in its sincerity. So, what can you do? If you're living in a country where English is spoken, you might greet someone with a cheerful, "Good morning," offer help with directions, or assist someone who seems unsure or confused. A friendly smile and a simple sentence in English can mean a lot. If you live somewhere where English is not commonly spoken, don't worry. You can still participate. You might message someone online using English. Share an encouraging comment on a YouTube video. Compliment someone on a learning forum. Thank a teacher or mentor on social media. Reach out to someone who's also learning and tell them they're doing great. Maybe you're connected with the Speak Real English community on YouTube or Twitter. In that case, you could leave a kind comment on the channel, share what you've learned, or send a tweet to someone who might need motivation. Even a short message like, "Keep going, you're improving every day," can be powerful. English isn't just a tool for your success. It's a way to build bridges, connect hearts, and inspire kindness. Let me tell you a quick story. Earlier today in Tokyo, I found myself a bit lost in a large train station. A kind man approached me and asked, "How shall I help you?" Now, that's quite a formal way to offer help. More commonly in everyday English, you'd say, "How can I help you?" or "Do you need help?" That simple moment reminded me how language can be used to offer support, comfort, and care. Think about where you live. Are there moments in your day when you notice someone who might need a hand, a bit of guidance, or even just a smile? Now let's imagine more ways to make an impact. Could you offer assistance to a tourist in your city who seems lost? Could you write a message to a friend or colleague in English just to check in or say something thoughtful? Could you publish an uplifting post on your blog or social media, all in English, with the intention of helping or inspiring others? Could you write an email to a teacher or a fellow learner expressing gratitude or encouragement? And if you feel like you don't know who to write to, send a message to me through the Speak Real English channel. I'd genuinely love to hear from you. Maybe you have a question about English, or maybe you have an idea for a lesson you'd like to suggest. Or perhaps you just want to share how this channel has helped you improve your skills or how it's changed the way you use English in your life. These stories are always welcome. Remember, learning English is not just about grammar, vocabulary, or pronunciation. It's about becoming a confident communicator, someone who uses language not only for personal gain but also to lift others up. The heart of Speak Real English is about connection, encouragement, and community. You're not just learning English. You're building your power to make the world a little brighter each day. So today, be intentional. Think about what you can do using English that goes beyond you. Could you brighten someone's day? Could you teach, guide, support, or uplift? English gives you the voice to do that. Let's use it well. Thank you for being here, thank you for being part of this journey, and thank you for choosing kindness through language. Make sure to come back to Speak Real English for more ways to grow your skills, deepen your understanding, and become a voice of positivity in the global English community. Stay motivated, stay connected, and most of all, stay kind. See you next time.